If you saw this woman walking down the street, you would bet your life savings that she was in her mid-30s. You'd see the tight jawline, the radiant skin, and the lack of deep forehead wrinkles and think she's just in the prime of her life. But when she pulls out her ID, your jaw will hit the floor. This woman is 65 years old. She isn't a celebrity, she doesn't have a world-class plastic surgeon on speed dial, and she isn't spending $500 a month on luxury serums that are mostly just scented water. In fact, what she does to look this way is so simple, so cheap, and so controversial that most dermatologists are actually afraid to talk about it because it makes their expensive procedures look useless. Most women over 50 are hitting a biological wall because they've been sold a massive lie. You've been told that after menopause, your collagen simply disappears and there's nothing you can do but age gracefully. That is a lie. You've been told that sagging skin is just an inevitable part of gravity. That is also a lie. The woman you're looking at right now discovered a hidden age reversal loop that exists inside your own DNA, a process that has nothing to do with what you put on your skin and everything to do with how you command your cells to behave from the inside out. I am going to show you exactly how she flipped that switch, but first, I need to know who is serious about changing their life today. Stop right now and go to the comment box. I want you to type the word ageless if you are tired of the beauty industry lying to you and you're ready to reclaim the face you had 20 years ago. By typing that, you are locking in your commitment to actually follow the steps I'm about to reveal. Don't just watch, participate. If you don't comment, your brain won't prioritize this information, and you'll go right back to looking at that stranger in the mirror tomorrow morning. We are about to dive into the 3-minute nightly ritual that is scientifically proven to stop the sugar sag that is melting your face right now. We are going to talk about the one grocery store item that costs less than $3 but works better than a $1,000 chemical peel. This isn't just a video, it's a total transformation. If you're ready to make people doubt your birth certificate, then pay very close attention to what comes next. I'm Dr. Luis Remo, and I'm about to expose the biggest lie in the beauty industry. You've seen women who are 65 but look 35, and no, it isn't Botox or good genes. It's a biological secret buried deep in your DNA that most dermatologists are too afraid to discuss. Most anti-aging products only touch the surface, but we're going deeper. We're going to flip your cellular age switch from the inside out. If you're ready to stop being invisible and start glowing, type ageless in the comments right now. Let's uncover the truth about your skin. Now that you've typed ageless in the comments, you've taken the first step toward reclaiming your power. Most women I see in my clinic feel like they are fading away, as if the vibrant person they used to be is being buried under layers of dull, sagging skin. You look at old photos and wonder where that girl went. But here is what the billion-dollar skincare giants don't want you to know. Your skin is not a static piece of fabric that just wears out over time. It is a living, breathing organ that is constantly regenerating. The problem is that after 50, your body's repair manual gets dusty. The woman who is 65 looking 35 didn't find a new manual. She just learned how to clean the one she already had. The first major secret she uses, and the one that will change your face in less than 30 days, is the mastery of a process called glycation, or what I call sugar sag. Science tells us that when you have excess sugar in your bloodstream, those sugar molecules attach themselves to your collagen and elastin fibers. Think of collagen like the springs in a mattress that keep your skin bouncy and tight. Glycation is like pouring hot caramel over those springs. They become brittle, they snap, and suddenly your skin begins to droop. A landmark study published in the journal British Journal of Dermatology proved that people with higher blood sugar levels were perceived as looking significantly older than those with lower levels, regardless of their actual age. This isn't just a theory, it is biological reality. The 65-year-old woman we're talking about doesn't just avoid sweets, she uses a specific biological shield. Every morning, 20 minutes before her first meal, she drinks a tall glass of water with 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. This isn't a weight loss hack. Research shows that acetic acid significantly blunts the glucose spike of your meal. By keeping her blood sugar stable, she is literally preventing her collagen from being caramelized and shattered. She is stopping the wrinkles before they even have a chance to form. But it goes deeper than just what you eat. To look 30 years younger, you have to address the vampire that is sucking the life out of your face: chronic cortisol. When you are stressed, whether it's about your kids, your finances, or just the state of the world, your body pumps out cortisol. In high amounts, cortisol is a collagen killer. It literally melts the structural proteins in your dermis. This is why women who go through high stress periods seem to age overnight. You've seen it in the mirror, the dark circles that won't go away, the sudden hollowing of the cheeks. Science from the University of California has shown that high cortisol levels shorten your telomeres, which are the protective caps on your DNA. When your telomeres shorten, your cells stop dividing. They become zombie cells that sit in your skin, causing inflammation and that gray, tired look. The woman who looks 35 at 65 has mastered her internal facelift through vagus nerve stimulation. She doesn't spend hours meditating, she uses a 3-minute cold shock ritual. Every single night, she splashes her face with ice-cold water for 30 seconds. This sudden temperature change triggers the vagus nerve, which instantly signals your adrenal glands to stop producing cortisol and start producing restorative hormones. This is why she looks so rested even when she hasn't slept perfectly. She is manually forcing her body out of stress mode and into repair mode. This is the emotional bridge you need to cross. You have to realize that your face is a map of your internal peace. When you lower that cortisol, you aren't just feeling better. You are allowing your skin cells to breathe again. You are giving your collagen the permission to rebuild itself. I want you to pause and think about the last time you truly felt beautiful. Was it when you were 20? 30? I'm telling you right now, as Dr. Luis Remo, that your best face is not behind you. It is trapped behind a wall of glycation and stress hormones. By using the glucose shield in the morning and the cold shock at night, you are beginning to tear that wall down. You are no longer a victim of time, you are the commander of your biology. This is how we move from the surface-level lies of the beauty industry into the deep scientific truth of agelessness. We are just getting started, and what I have to tell you next about cellular autophagy will completely flip your understanding of aging on its head. We are now crossing into the territory that most high-end beauty brands would pay millions to keep hidden from you. We've talked about shielding your skin from the sugar sag and calming the collagen-killing cortisol. But now we must address the engine of the cells themselves. If you want to look 30 years younger, you don't need to add more layers of cream to your face. You need to remove the biological trash that is sitting inside your skin right now. This brings us to the most powerful secret of the 65-year-old woman who looks 35. A process called cellular autophagy. The word literally translates to self-eating, and while that might sound strange, it is the single most important biological discovery of the last century regarding longevity. In 2016, a Japanese scientist named Yoshinori Osumi was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine for uncovering how this process works, and yet nobody in the mainstream beauty world is telling you how to use it for your face. Imagine your skin cells are like a kitchen in a busy restaurant. When you're young, the janitorial staff is working 24 hours a day, cleaning the floors, taking out the trash, and making sure the equipment is spotless. But as you cross the age of 50, that janitorial staff starts taking long breaks. The trash begins to pile up. Old broken proteins and damaged mitochondria start cluttering the space. In the mirror, this cellular trash looks like age spots, yellowing skin, and that deep-seated loss of elasticity that no moisturizer can fix. Most women try to fix this by painting the walls, putting on more makeup or thicker creams, but the trash is still rotting underneath. The woman we are discussing today doesn't paint the walls. She forces the janitors back to work. She triggers autophagy every single day to ensure her cellular kitchen is always brand new. Now, how does she do it without starving herself? The secret lies in a very specific biological window and a tiny $3 grocery item that you probably walk past every single week. Research published in the journal Nature Communications has shown that certain natural compounds called polyamines, specifically one called spermidine, can actually mimic the effects of fasting and trigger autophagy directly in your skin cells. This 65-year-old woman incorporates a simple half-cup serving of green peas or aged cheddar into her diet 3 times a week. It sounds almost too simple to be true, doesn't it? But the science is undeniable. These polyamines tell your cells to begin the recycling process, breaking down the gray, saggy zombie proteins and turning them back into the raw materials for fresh collagen. When you do this, you aren't just slowing down aging, you are literally recycling your old skin into new skin. But we can't talk about agelessness without talking about the invisible wall of sleep. You've been told you need beauty sleep, but you haven't been told why. It's not about rest. It's about a hormone called melatonin. Most people think of melatonin only as a sleep aid, but in the world of dermatology, it is known as the body's most potent endogenous antioxidant. While you sleep, melatonin is the night crew that repairs the DNA damage caused by the sun and pollution during the day. However, here is the emotional truth. As we age, and especially through the stress of our 50s and 60s, our natural melatonin production craters. This is why you wake up feeling like you've aged 5 years after a bad night's sleep. The 65-year-old miracle woman uses a blackout protocol. She ensures that not a single speck of blue light from a phone or television touches her eyes for 60 minutes before bed. This isn't just for sleep quality, it's to ensure her melatonin peak is high enough to trigger the DNA repair enzymes in her skin. She is literally performing a genetic facelift every single night while she dreams. I want you to take a second and feel the skin on your jawline. Does it feel as firm as it did 10 years ago? If the answer is no, it's because your age reversal loop has been broken, but it is not gone. It is just dormant. Inside your DNA are things called telomeres, the protective caps at the end of your chromosomes. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces. When those tips wear off, the shoelace unravels. When your telomeres shorten, your skin unravels into wrinkles and sagging. For a long time, doctors believed telomeres only got shorter, but groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School has shown that through specific lifestyle interventions, the very ones we are discussing, you can actually activate an enzyme called telomerase, which can lengthen those caps. You can literally add time back to your biological clock. This leads us to the final, most controversial part of her routine: The 3-minute nightly oxygen surge. Most women over 50 have poor microcirculation. The blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients to the very surface of your skin begin to wither away, leaving the skin looking papery and thin. This woman uses a technique called inversion oxygenation. For just 3 minutes every night, she hangs her head over the edge of her bed or performs a gentle forward fold. This simple act of gravity forces a surge of nutrient-rich, oxygenated blood directly into the facial tissues. When combined with the cold shock we mentioned earlier, it creates a pump effect, moving out the toxins and flooding the area with the building blocks of youth. You'll feel a tingle, you'll see a flush of pink, and that is the sound of your skin coming back to life. I know how it feels to look in the mirror and feel like you are losing the battle. I see the tears in my patients' eyes when they tell me they feel like they've become a ghost in their own lives, that people look through them instead of at them. But I am telling you, as Dr. Luis Remo, that you have the power to change the narrative. You are not a victim of your years. You are a biological masterpiece that simply needs the right instructions. When you stop feeding the sugar sag, when you trigger the cellular janitors with autophagy, and when you flood your face with oxygen, you aren't just fixing wrinkles. You are reclaiming your identity. You are telling the world that you are still here, you are still vibrant, and you are just getting started. Imagine waking up 30 days from now. You walk to the bathroom, splash that cold water on your face, and you look up. You see a jawline that is sharper. You see eyes that look awake and bright. You see skin that has a natural, dewy glow that no highlighter could ever replicate. And then, the best part happens. You go to the grocery store, or you meet a friend for coffee, and they stop mid-sentence. They look at you with that confused, squinting expression and ask, "Did you go on vacation? Did you change your hair? You look different. You look incredible." That is the moment you realize that the 65-year-old miracle wasn't a miracle at all. It was science. It was a choice. It was you taking control of your biology. We have covered the morning shield, the evening repair, the internal recycling, and the oxygen surge. This is the complete blueprint. But there is one final piece of the puzzle, a secret ingredient that ties all of this together and makes the results permanent. If you don't do this one thing, all the peas and cold water in the world won't save your skin in the long run. I'm going to reveal that permanent glow secret in my next video. So if you haven't already, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on your notifications. You've already committed by typing ageless in the comments, and I am not going to let you down. Your journey to the best version of yourself starts today. I am Dr. Luis Remo, and I will see you in the next one. You've already typed ageless in the comments, and now it's time to back that commitment up with real-world action. I am officially giving you the 7-day biological reset challenge. Starting tomorrow morning, I want you to use the glucose shield before your first meal. Finish every night with the cold shock ritual and incorporate just one autophagy triggering food into your diet. Don't just be a spectator in your own life, be the scientist. In exactly 7 days, I want you to come back to this very video, find your ageless comment, and reply to it with your results. Tell us if your skin feels firmer, if your morning puffiness has vanished, or if people are already starting to look at you differently. This is about proving that you aren't fading away. You're just getting started. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. I'm Dr. Luis Remo, and I'll see you in the comments for your 7-day check-in. Your transformation begins now.